Hi friends, welcome back. Today we are going to solve two important SQL coding interview questions. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe to this channel now. Also click on the bell notification icon button right away so you won't miss any important postings from this channel. Here we create videos to help others learn how to solve different problems, help them in their interview preparation and learning different computer science concepts along with data structures, algorithms, problem solving and programming. So let's start. So the product schema is given to us which has a couple of tables. For example, orders tables. As you can see, this is the orders tables which has order number, order date, required date, ship date, status, comments, customer number, right? So the order table also has a order detail. So every order can have multiple order details like this, right? So for example, 10100 order, it has four different products basically associated with the order, as you can see here, right? So these are the four different products that you can see this associated with this order, right? So this is the order details table. It has order number, product code, order quantity, each price, each is the price for each of that product quantity, and order line number, right? Similarly, it also has a products table that describes the product, right? For example, product code, product name, product line, product scale, product vendor, product description, and quantity in stock, by price, MSRP, right? So these are the product details. And product lines also is another table here that has the product line details, like what is the product, what is the description of the product, and so on, right? So the first question that we are going to solve here is this one: write SQL query to display the order and the corresponding product details, right? So order details we want to display and the corresponding product detail. For example, here this is the order, right? So 10100 is the order. So these details are there for this order, but we also want to show what are the products associated with this order basically. For example, you can see that this order is associated with four different products here, as you can see here, right? So we want to display that. So how you can write down a SQL query? So you can write down SQL query like this basically. So we are going to use three different tables here, right? So when we select it, we'll use orders table O, order details tables OD, products table P, and product lines table PL, right? So these four tables we will use. So you are going to select O dot store everything from order table, P dot product name, the product name, and PL dot text description, the product line description, right? So so to connect these tables, you have to connect these tables based on the common columns. For example, O order table, you want to connect with order details based on order number because both has order number there, right? O dot order number is equal to OD dot order number. This is how you will connect orders tables and order details tables, right? Now, how you will connect the order details and product table? OD dot product code is equal to P dot product code, right? Because product table has a product code, right? And you will connect product line, like product line and product table based on a product line column, correct? P dot product line is equal to PL dot product line. So this way you can combine these multiple tables and you can get the data which will describe the order details. So let's run this query so it will be more clear for you. So this is, for example, first order is 10103. So these are the details: order date, required date, ship date, status, comments, customer number. Now this is, as you can see, we are getting the product name here, right, for that order. So we are getting the product name, you are getting the description of the product also, correct? So this way you can actually get the details of this product which are associated with that order, correct? So this is the way you can solve this problem. You can write down a SQL query like this. So you are displaying the products along with the order details, right? So the second question goes like this: find the order number and the total amount customer from USA spent on that order number in ascending order of total spent. So this is a more interesting question, right? Where you have the you want to find out, because for example here this order this order 10100, right, it has a four different products that the customer is buying here, right? So for example, this product he bought for one quantity, its price is 136. He bought two quantity of this product, its each price is 50. So total he spent for this one is $100, right? 50 multiplied by 2 is 100. The third product he bought is has a four quantity, 25 is the product for each. So it means that again $100 he is spending here. And then the fourth product he bought has a quantity one, its price is 44. So if you calculate this total, it is 200 plus 136 plus 44, which is 380, right? So this is what they are asking us to calculate basically. So the order and how much total that order is basically, right? Total amount the customer spend. And we also want to make sure that he is a customer from USA. So only USA customers we want to display, for example, right? So how can we write down this kind of query? So this is a more interesting problem. So this is how you can implement these queries, right? So here, what tables we are going to be using here? Order details we will use, orders we will use, and customers we will use. These three tables we are going to use, right? So you will see them in the from clause, right? Order details is OD, orders is O, and customers is C, correct? Now you are going to select O dot order number, C dot contact first name, which is customer's first name, right? C dot contact last name, which is customer last name, customer city, customer state, customer country, right? So this is what you are selecting. After that, you want to find out the total for that order. So you are doing sum of quantity order multiplied by price each as total, correct? So this is important. So we have used aggregate function here, which is a sum function, right? This is aggregate function. Now we have three tables. Now we want to associate them with each other, right? So how you will do that? OD dot order number is equal to O dot order number, right? Because order number is column between order details and orders table, correct? And you also want to associate the customer. So O dot customer number is equal to C dot customer number, because customer number is column between orders and customers table, right? And then you have to also filter the data on the C dot country is equal to USA, because we are only want to consider USA customers, correct? And then group by order number. This is very important. You want to group by order number, because that's how you can calculate that sum for that order number, correct? So you want to group them by on order number. So as I was showing you here, so here we were seeing, right? So for example, this is the same order basically, right? These four records, you can see that these are belonging to same order number, right? 10100, 10100. These four records are same order, right? So this is why you have to group it on the basis of order number basically, right? That's what we are doing here. And then whatever result you get, you want to order it by total ascending, so that the total will be smallest first and it will be ascending order, right? This is what we want to display. So let us run this query and make sure it gives us correct answers. So for the first one, I already explained you that it is 380. So we calculated that, right? 380, how 380 came, because this is 136 plus 50 multiplied by 2 is 100, 25 multiplied by 4 is also 100, and plus 44. So if you calculate this total, it will give you 380, right, for the order 10100, correct? So as you can see, 10100, the total is coming as 380. And these customers, all these customers are USA based customers, right? So first customer is New Hampshire state, New York, California, Massachusetts, California, so all that, right? So everything is USA. Okay, and this you can see that the total is in ascending order. You can see that this is the smallest, then it is going and in increasing order. This is what they want us to find out, right? So this is the way you can find out and solve these kind of SQL core query questions in the interviews, right? So the important thing here that you should note is we have used the group by clause, right? We are grouping by the order number. This is one important thing you should know how to use it. You should know the sum function, right? How to use sum function to solve this kind of problems. This is an aggregate function, right? A very important one. And you should also know, so this one is basically we are joining the tables, right? So this is essentially joining the tables, correct? So you can also join table like this, and then you can also filter the data based on your conditions, right? And then you should also know order by clause, correct? And when you are calculating this total, you have to call it as a some name. Here we called it as a total, so that you can refer it from here, order by total ascending, right? So this is what I wanted to show you. These kind of problems get asked in the interviews, even in-person interviews. So you should know how to write this kind of SQL queries, right? So there were requests by some people to show them how to solve different SQL programming questions. So that's why I'm creating this video to show you how to write down these kind of SQL queries. So this is the schema that we have used for today. So it has orders, order details, product lines, customers, employees, and other details, right? So I'm going to add both these SQL queries in my GitHub repository and give you the link of this my GitHub repository, so you can check out the solutions. There are lots of other programming solutions available in the GitHub repository for you. So make sure you check out the other solutions from the GitHub repository. They are important solutions from interview perspective. If you like the solutions in the GitHub repository, consider giving it a star on the GitHub repository. That would be great. If you are new to this channel, there is a very important coding interview related playlist we have created to help you in your interview rounds. It is called as Lead Code and Lint Code Solutions. 200 most frequently asked very important coding interview problems are compiled for you under one playlist. Those problems are asked by Google, Facebook, Amazon, Apple, Microsoft, Yahoo many times in their past interviews. Very important problems. Make sure you go through each of them, understand them thoroughly. If you go through all of those problems, you are going to learn a lot about data structures, algorithms, problem solving, Java programming, and coding. So do check out those solved coding problems. They will definitely help you in your interviews. The name of the playlist is Lead Code and Lint Code Solutions. Now, if you are a fresher and you want to practice more coding problems for your interview preparation, to help your practicing purpose, we have created 3 other playlists for you here. The names of those playlists are Code Forces, Code Chef, AdCoder. Go to the playlist of this channel. You will find those playlists underneath there. Make sure you check out the other playlist also there. They are also important playlist, and you will find all different varieties of problems which are typically asked in the interviews. So you will get more idea about your preparation also. If you like this solutions, the SQL solutions, how we have solved these 2 problems, then please give it a thumbs up to the video, give it a like to the video, subscribe to this channel. Subscription is very important, because that's how the videos can reach to other people, so others will also be able to watch and learn from this video. So do subscribe to this channel, share this video with your friends and colleagues, so they will also learn how to solve these kind of problems and how to implement their solutions. Click on the bell notification icon button right away, so you won't miss any important postings from this channel. On this channel, you will find lots of programming questions explained with Java code and examples that includes graphs, matrices, binary search trees, breadth first search, depth first search, cadence algorithm, binary search algorithm, Kruskal's algorithm, Dijkstra algorithm, sliding window algorithm. There are also lots of important data structures related coding interview questions available for you here, including stacks, queues, priority queues, hash table, hash map, tree set, hash set, linked hash map, linked hash set, arrays, linked list. All of them are important problems. They got asked many times in the past interviews. They will definitely give you good preparation for your interview rounds. So do check out all those problems. If you like the videos on this channel, if they are helping your learning process, you are learning more techniques, more problem solving along with programming approaches, then please do leave your messages, your feedback, your comments below these videos. Your messages, your feedback, your comments are highly appreciated, very important and valuable for us. They increase our motivation to create more quality content videos. So do leave your messages below these videos. Tell us how the videos are useful and helpful for you. If you want us to create videos about any specific computer science, Java, J2E or interview related topics, then also mention those topics in the comment section below this video, so that we can create those videos for you here. Keep learning, keep coding, keep solving more varieties of coding problems, and most importantly, keep your learning process and practicing going on continuously. We are going to be posting more SQL programming question videos on this channel soon, so stay tuned to this channel. Keep checking the playlist. You will get updated new varieties of problems every week here from this channel. And thanks for watching these videos.